Should a Hindu allow people of other religion to enter a Hindu temple?
Unclean person and those with infectious disease should be prevented. All other persons should find Hindu temple a refuge for spiritual solace.
What should a devotee expect from a Hindu temple?
A temple should be a place of prayer open to all for all times, sunrise to sunset. The temple authorities should try to feed the hungry from the donations received from the devotees. It should give education, treatment and other relief to the people and be part of the social struggle for welfare of all devotees. It should have a big hall where devotees can come and offer prayer.
Should politics and religion be separated?
Politics is the attitude of the people to any issue. Attitude is the result of sense of values. Sense of values is a product of adherence to a religion. Religion and politics are intermixed and have a symbiotic relationship. When this relationship is ignored, politics become not for the people, but for continuance of the immoral people as ruler. Mahabharata is the best example to find an answer. Bhishma ignored politics but adhered to religion, and the result was perversion of the Kauravas. If he had mixed religion and politics, he would have agreed to his father's second marriage to Satyavati, but would not have succumbed to the undue political pressure of Satyavati's politician father. Satyavati's father said that he would permit his daughter Satyavati to wed King Shantanu, Bhishma's father, only if Bhishma abdicate his right to the throne. Bhishma abandoned politics and religiously agreed to the condition to satisfy his father Shantanu's lust. The result was disaster and caused the end of Kaurava dynasty. Thousands of innocent men lost their life during the war of Mahabharata. Bhishma himself would have been a great, strong and righteous king of India. Bhishma failed to mix politics and religion, and by doing so, he denied India of a powerful and a great king. If Bhishma would have been a king, he would have helped millions of Indians. The other example is Lord Krishna. He mixed politics and religion in all things he did, and Gita is a product of that. Lord Krishna, by mixing politics with religion, could banish the Kaurava kingdom and establish great righteous kingdom of the Pandavas.
How should one behave with the king?
One should be loyal to the king so that he can carry out the work related to the building of the nation. There are many ways of nation building, and one may find a better method, but nothing will be achieved by pushing the king to abandon his method. Loyalty should be absolute, provided the king is a selfless worker. The king's public work and not his personal life is important.
Can someone use the temple congregation to enhance his business?
Temple is not a place for publicizing one's business. Temple is a place to recite prayer to Ishvara and to discuss about the common social problems.